Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup deposits using Zelle receipts and exports. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your deposits using Zelle receipts and exports, start by opening your banking app. Navigate to the section where Zelle transactions are displayed. Locate the deposit you want to backup. Tap on the transaction to view its details. Take a screenshot of the Zelle receipt for your records. Ensure the receipt includes the date, amount, and sender information. Next, open your email or preferred storage app. Create a new email or note and attach the screenshot. Label the attachment clearly for easy reference later. Now, return to your banking app and look for the export option. Select the option to export your transaction history. Choose the format you prefer, such as CSV or PDF. Ensure the export includes your Zelle transactions. Download the exported file to your device. Store the exported file in a designated folder for easy access. You've now successfully backed up your Zelle deposits with receipts and exports. Consider repeating this process regularly to maintain accurate records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.